Today we have discussed about the BTech first year subject of semester 1 and semester 2, AAS 101A, AAS 201A. The course subject name is Physics for Sustainable Structure System. There are three credit subjects and total time for 45 hours to complete this course subject. Course objective is to understand the fundamental concept and principle of quantum mechanics, to comprehensive and the principle and application of electronics, to understand the fundamental principle of mechanics and fluid physics, to understand the fundamental principle of thermal physics, enabling the analysis of thermal process and system, to explore the fundamental properties and phenomena of superconductivity and diverse application of nanomaterials in advanced technical contexts. Now, course content is of Unit 1 is Fundamental of Quantum Mechanics. In Fundamental of Quantum Mechanics have the adequacy of classical mechanics, de Broglie concept of wave, water, matter wave, diversion and German experiment, wave packet, phase velocity and group velocity, Hipgenger uncertainty principle and its application, time independent and time dependent Schrödinger wave equation, principle confirmed in one dimensional box, wave function and its physical interpretation. This is all about of Unit 1. Now proceed from Unit 2. In Unit 2 have two parts, photonics, and in photonics we have two parts, fiber optics and laser. Fiber optics have fundamental idea about fiber optics, acceptance angle, acceptance code, numerical acceptance, principle of light propagation in optical fiber, attenuation and attenuation coefficient in fiber. In second part has laser. In laser have interaction of radiation with metal, absorption, spontaneous and simulation emission. Principle of laser operation, Einstein coefficient, Ruby laser, helium neon laser, laser application. This is all about of Unit 2. Now proceed to Unit 3. In Unit 3 have mechanics and fluid physics. In this unit have Newton law, statics and dynamic equilibrium, state and strain, elastic modeling, Young bulk shear, Hooke law, properties of fluid, viscosity, surface tension, capillary fluid statics and pressure, Archimedes principle, Bernoulli equation, flow through pipe. In flow through pipe have also have a numerical to solve. They are very important. Now the Unit 4 is thermal physics. In thermal physics have law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics मतलब जो हीट से कोई चीज हो रहा है उसको thermodynamics बोलते हैं. Heat conditioning, convection and radiation. Heat capacity, thermal expansion, thermal conductivity, melting and solidification, thermal resistance, enthalpy and entropy, equation of state, Newton law of cooling. This is all about of Unit 4. Now proceed from Unit 5. In Unit 5 have superconductivity and nanomaterial. Nanomaterial is very important for in superconductor have temperature dependent of resistivity and critical field in superconducting material. Missional effect, type 1 and type 2 superconductor, precedent current, high temperature superconductor, property application of superconductor. In nanomaterial have introduction and properties of nanomaterials. Basic concept of quantum dots, quantum wire, quantum well, application of nanomaterial. This is all about of Unit 5. Now their course outcomes are Unit 1. Understand the fundamental concept and principle of quantum mechanics. In Unit 2, comprehending the principle and application of electronics. In Unit 3, understand the fundamental principle of mechanics and fluid physics. In Unit 4, have understand the fundamental principle of thermal physics, enabling the analysis of thermal process and system. In Unit 5, have explore the fundamental properties and phenomena of superconductivity and diverse application of nanomaterials in advanced technological contexts. This is all about of this subject.